Good morning to you. I'm Teresa Dufour with the CT Style Express. Now, during this uncertain time, many people have questions about personal injury and workers' compensation, especially as people are heading back to work. That's why News 8 has partnered with the Goff Law Group to bring you the law down. Attorney Brooke Goff joins us via Zoom. Nice to have you back here, Attorney Goff.
Thank you for having me, Teresa. I appreciate it.
All right, so people are going back to work slowly but surely. What happens? Give us the basics if you get injured on the job.
Sure. Well, the phenomenon is like every year when there's the first snowfall, right? Everybody gets in an accident. It's the same kind of thing that they're expecting for, unfortunately, because the safety guidelines are lax. People are not, have been out of work for a while. So we expect to see an uptick in workers' comp cases. So if you're hurt at work, first thing I can tell everybody is get medical attention immediately. Do not be the tough guy in the room, the tough girl in the room saying, oh, I should be. Just get the attention immediately, because if there is something really wrong with you, you're not a doctor, then they're going to utilize that against you down the road saying, hey, look, how hurt could they be? They didn't go to a doctor for 4 or 5, 6 days. Get the medical attention immediately. If it happens at work and you think you need to see a doctor immediately, call an ambulance, be taken. Your medical bills are going to be covered under workers' compensation as long as your employer has it, which in Connecticut's required, right? So, depending on how long you're in the hospital, whatever, you have to tell your employer. There's this big secret thing. Oh, don't tell my employer. Guys, you have to tell your employer. It's not fair to your employer to not know. There are ramifications for your employer in the event that they try to take action against you or something like this, or bringing a comp claim. But we rarely see that. And I do lots and lots of comp. At this step, you're going to want to talk to a lawyer. It's a free consultation. Every lawyer's going to be a free consultation at this stage. You need to know what your rights are. Workers' compensation is not something you can just get on and Google, okay? This is why so many people have horror stories and problems with it. If you ever go online and look up something and you read a bunch of negative stuff, all the stuff's not negative. It's just the people that have positive experiences don't post most of the time, right? So my grandmother used to say, if you have a positive experience, you might tell one person, but if they have a negative experience, you're going to tell 10. Same kind of a thing. So you can't just go online and Google workers' comp. It's such a crazy system. You can go through the book, your head will spin, the whole thing. You learn it from experience, from doing it, from getting to know who you're in front of, who's your commissioner, what are the rules that have come out, what does the case law show, these kinds of things. So an attorney is going to walk you through the process so that you can make a better decision as to how you want to move forward. You should do it in the beginning, because guess what? If you hire me a year in, you've done all the work, and I'm still going to get the same fee at the end of the case when you're rated and or when you are settling your case. So don't do all the work to then hire me. Let me do all the work, right? So but this is the time you should talk to an attorney. If you feel like the attorney's kind of aggressive or trying to get the cases in, move along, because there's many attorneys that are not desperate for work, right? So that's the ones you're going to want to talk to. You're going to want to talk to somebody that's actually going to help you, and that's going to know what they're doing. So with workers,
right? That you need.
What's that?
Important forms that need to be filed?
There are. So there's a Form 30C. You have a year to file. Now, I would say don't file these forms until you talk to an attorney, okay? Because the attorney will file these forms for you. But Form 30, if you are like, nope, I'm not getting a lawyer, 30C has to be filed within a year. File it now. Certify it to the commissioner at the jurisdiction, either where you got injured or where you live, and then you have to certify it to the employer. Keep the green card. Don't do a hand receipt. Certify it, okay? It takes the weirdness out of it with the employer. 1A, we can use that to calculate your comp rate. And you got to get that to the employer immediately. They'll give it to the insurance. The insurance company is going to contact you. And one other thing to remember is that the insurance company has their own claim number. So just if you don't file that 30C and you're like, oh, well, they must have done it for me. They don't. So that claim number is the insurance claim number, not a comp claim number. And if you don't have your case open with workers' comp, and let's just say your checks are delayed or something weird happens, you can't get a hearing. You have to file your case, and they know that. Insurance companies have lawyers in their back rooms that are telling them what to do and how to do things. So it's basically you out by yourself against a bunch of lawyers anyways, which is never a fair fight. So the forms, yes, 30C, 1A are the big forms. You're going to get a 43 in the mail, 43 denying the claim within a certain amount of days. And but at least take care of it. The 30C and the 1A is what you need to file pretty much immediately, and the 30C has to be certified.
All right, very good. Attorney Goff, tip of the iceberg here, but
Yes.
just relate to us how you're always there for your clients 24/7. I mean, Zoom, texts. I remember you told me you worked on Christmas.
I did, and I did an intake yesterday morning at 2:30 in the morning. So, an overnight worker. So, guys, we really are 24/7. You're not going to get some call center that's going to pick up. It doesn't. You're going to get a real lawyer. We get out of bed, we brew a cup of coffee, and we talk to you, and we walk you through it. Then we have a meeting greatly thereafter. With comp, you have to move fast, or a lot of damage can be done, especially right in that beginning phase. So, yes, my whole staff. We are there 24/7, including Christmas. Yes, Hanukkah, Christmas, Thanksgiving, whatever.
Always get a hold of Attorney Goff. Thank you for chatting with us, and of course, you can learn more over at thegofflawgroup.net. It's always a pleasure.
Thanks, Teresa. Thanks.